A very good morning, children. How are you? Hope you all are well. So, let's continue with our chapter number 2, Latitude and Longitude. Open page number 30. Now, children, to learn more about latitude, let us have a closer look of the map and globe. When we look at the globe or a map, we notice that the earth is covered by many horizontal and vertical lines. These lines are imaginary lines, children. You can see these lines on the map also. The imaginary lines running from east to west horizontally are known as parallel of latitudes. Now children, let's start reading of latitude, about latitude. The imaginary lines in each hemisphere drawn parallel to the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitude. Since the earth is round, these lines are circular. They run in an east-west direction around the globe. The equator is a line of latitude. Now let's have a look of diagram. See this diagram? These lines run from east to west and they form a full circle, children. You can see this is equator. It is marked as 0 degree. Northernmost point is called North Pole and southernmost point is South Pole. Now children, look at this diagram. All latitudes form a full circle. You can see that all the latitudes form a full circle. These lines are circular. Understood, children? And they run from east to west direction. And this yellow line shows equator. Now children, again look at this diagram. These lines are called latitudes. They run parallel. Parallel means they neither touch nor cross one another. And all parallels are located at an equal distance from one another. Means they are located at an equal distance. Distance between two latitudes is same and they form a full circle. You can see, and the length of parallel started decreasing when we move away from equator towards the pole. They become shorter. Latitudes are measured in degrees. The starting point for measuring the degrees of latitude is the equator. They are started measuring from equator. See this, equator is at 0 degree and latitudes are started measuring from 0 degree. 0 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, 60, 70, then 90. Up to North Pole it is 90 degree. Like Northern Hemisphere, it is in Southern Hemisphere also. From 0 degree, then 10 degree, 30 degree, 50, then up to 90 degree South Pole. The diagram given here shows that the equator is at 0 degree latitude. Now children, see this diagram. Equator is marked as 0 degree. Okay, again now see this diagram also. It is equator, this red line, and latitudes are marked as degrees, in degrees. All latitudes are. These are up to 90 degrees. Understood, children? The value of all other latitudes is followed by the letter N for northern hemisphere or S for southern hemisphere. So children, as you know that above the equator is northern hemisphere, so value of that latitudes are marked with letter N, and below the equator it is southern hemisphere, so value of that latitudes are marked with letter S. For example, the latitude next to the equator in the northern hemisphere is 1 degree N. N stands for north. As we move further northwards, the lines of latitudes are numbered as 2 degree N, 3 degree N, 4 degree N, and so on until we reach 90 degree N, which is the North Pole. The latitudes in the southern hemisphere are numbered in the same way till we reach the South Pole, which is located at 90 degree S as for south. Let's understand with this diagram. It is equator. Above the equator, it is northern hemisphere. So value of these degrees are marked with letter N. 15 degree N, 30 degree N, 45 degree N, 60 degree N, 75 degree N, 90 degree North Pole. N stands for north. Now below the equator it is marked with letter S. 15 degree S, 30 degree S, 45 degree S, and so on till 90 degree South Pole. Okay.